it's like a grasshopper. Come here, look.
It's venomous.
Venomous. It's not venomous.
It's like got crushed.
No, honey.
Oh, why does it look like that? It's really old.
Because that's what they use to jump.
Ugh. Ugh.
They can jump like.
It's moving like an old man.
Well, he might have gotten wet.
Okay.
He's also got wings, though. They can fly short distances.
I touched it. I touched it really poorly. I didn't like it.